What happens when you've been dad for this child's entire life, but you're not the biological father, and now you're being pushed out? In this case, husband and wife had an open marriage, and during that time, wife had a boyfriend with whom she had a child. Because she was married, husband was put on the birth certificate as the father, because it is presumed, regardless of biology, if you're married, that the husband is the father. He has raised this child for 2 years. Now mom and husband are breaking up, and she's telling him he is not going to have any rights to this child. This is really going to depend on the laws of paternity in your state. This person's in Oklahoma, and they're saying that in Oklahoma, if you can prove the biological parentage of somebody else, that they'll change the paternity. That would not be true here in Arizona. So the paternity in your given state is really going to matter with what happens in this case. But even if you are no longer the father, you may have some sort of custodial rights. In Arizona, we have third-party visitation rights if you've acted in loco parentis, and you have. So even if you were stripped of your legal paternity, you would still have legal standing to have visitation rights with this child. As always, I would recommend first negotiating with mom, but you have to know your legal rights. This is an incredibly tricky legal situation. You have to contact a lawyer in your jurisdiction to figure out your rights and then come up with a plan. Next, try to negotiate something with mom that actually gives you and protects your legal rights moving forward so that you can continue to be a part of this little girl's life.